Oh.
Happy birthday to you. I want to
Each.
Eh?
It's it.
Good. Look at cake. Give me this one. Give me this one.
No, I do that. Let me show you guys. My friends got me flowers. This one is from Lemonade. It's Soto Baba. This one is from Mulimo. And this one is from Lerad. So I'm just gonna put them nicely in this vase. Guys, can need a vase cool and I get gray. So yeah. So I'm done arranging my flowers and this is how they look. So pretty. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much, my girlies.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Nadia. Focus on volume. Focus on volume. Pause. 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 Happy birthday, Nadia. Happy birthday. Couple pause. Happy birthday, Ausperifery. This is my gift, guys. I'm going to unbox this with you. This is my cake. So, cake is a last thing, honey. So, yeah, long story. So, I felt like this happy birthday when it's like this, it was better than the way it looked. Yeah, so yeah, that's a story for another day. So so I had to do it myself. Happy BD. So yeah, it's fine. I'll get a better cakes next time. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Kijela cupcake one yo every like something so taste if when yo keke monad. And with her cakes, this one was the only one in Ikifilori is somehow. The rest is in Kadirata. This one kiona ilong hore ipadile. But tastier thing. Oh my god, scrumptious. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's and this is my life. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't skip ads. Go so or press a like, because obviously you're gonna like what I have in store for you. I'm kidding, guys. So please don't forget to like the video now while I'm still talking, because I know most of you will like the video, and then the commenting, let's just talk, you know. So this is the first day of the vlog. I'm taking you to work with me. I'm going to do someone's makeup, a bride. She's in Garangua, so I'm taking you guys with me. And then what else? When I come back, I'm gonna install the hair that I received from OwamiVip hair launch. So let's go, guys. As I found Benny from me when I skinny Southeast Saza Organics, I found Benny.
6 a.m. to 10 a.m. only on Y.
As a manly man, guys. As a manly man, make it a feel. Like, you know, them appealing to get rid of all this, like, you see this dead and this white facial hairs. But besides that, our bathroom gives Zanele her flowers.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagine I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, pretend back the pieces of my mind.
Bye, guys. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nacho. Thank you. Bye. Bye. So, guys, I received this package from OwamiVip hair launch. Let's see what's inside. This is their box. It looks so nice. I love the bag that it also came in with. Let's open and see what's in the box. So inside this box we have a wig cap and the wig as well. I'll show you the wig after. And also I received their silicone serum, and then 2 B&Gs, and this is the card that I received. The card reads, "Hey Aus Periphery, thank you so much for collaborating with us. Your support is really appreciated. Hope you enjoy your install with our unit. XOXO from OwamiVip hair launch to myself, obviously. So this is how the hair looks. The quality is amazing. Quality of the hair is so nice. And they also included a melting belt and a comb. I forgot to show you that. There is also this leaflet that shows you what they offer in their salon. So they have a salon in Bretts. It's shop 31 Madibeng Mall in Bretts. Yes. OwamiVip hair launch. So they offer services and products which are hair installation, braids, hair products, haircuts, wig installation, wash, dryer and relaxing, makeup and nails. So this is all. Peace. Guys, so I am done doing my face. As you guys can see, I look pretty. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put something on my hair so that it becomes soft, and then I comb it back, and then I'm gonna wear ligushalele black. So I don't like that thing, that wig cap that's like this color. Where is that wig cap? I don't like wearing that brown wig cap. I have my own reasons, because I get at the heck and stuff, because normally right, and our wigs, sometimes the wigs are not there, sometimes here, and you can see like the difference. So I haven't tried that bald cap method. It's not for me. I don't know if maybe I'll get into trendy now and day and try it out, but for now I'm not doing that. So let me just quickly fix my hair, and then yeah. So also I wanted to let you guys know that with this video I'm not gonna do like a tutorial. This is just me showing you the hair, reviewing the hair. I'm not going to get into like details of how you install hair, what you're supposed to do, because I think I did that previously. I don't know if that's what you guys want me to do on all my hair review videos, but yeah, so I think I'm not gonna do that now. And also because guys, it's so hot. Yo guys, we are in hell, because the way normal, it's definitely not normal. So I'm only wearing this because and then I want to flat. That's just how I'm going to do it. And then now I'm doing my hair this side because I've just said the lighting this side is much better than the other room. And then also not that the lighting is better, actually I think because this one is the one that's better in terms of lighting. The other one it's dark. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe this part out. Got my, remember I got this from a Beauty by Tati. If you want your supplies, please go there. She supplies everything hair. She supplies all hair products. You want your ghost bond, you want everything you want, it's there. So I'm just wiping off this part, and I'm gonna wait for it to be dry, and then I'm gonna put on my ghost bond, and then we are getting into business. So remember I did show you guys the packaging, and also this is the packaging again, and this is the hair. So what I did, I bleached and plucked the knots because it was not bleached. Guys, also please make sure that you bleach and plug your hair before we apart, because if you don't do that, it's not gonna look nice. And then the next thing, the supplier didn't sell you nice hair the way you are. It's because you guys sometimes don't plug your hair, and then when you don't plug the hair, it's obviously not gonna come out as nice as it did Mona, because na go plugile and bleached the knots, you know. I bleached and plucked the knots. So this is how the hair looks inside. It is a machine made wig, and then it has this hooks, as you can see here, both sides and at the back. And then it has, so what I like about this hair, it has this adjustable strip, so that, you know, sometimes when you buy a wig and then after sometimes this thing is tight loose, so with this one you can adjust it to fit your hair nicely. So this is how the hair looks now after being bleached and plugged. I didn't plug the hair too much, I just did it just hanyan. So let me wear the hair and show you guys. You see, so yeah. Let me cut off this lace, and then so I think I'm gonna take this off because already line. Guys, I got so I'm not gonna do that to myself. I can't dilo tse sa nnang pila wa bona dilo tse sa nnang pila a di batle ke nna. If there's one person o sa batleng dilo tse sa nnang pila ke aus periphery ntho baba. Guys, Decembeng e ho tla nna dia 2.0 la ngutla ke reng ho tla ha 2.0 ho tla ngwanyana o mongwe o baba ho tla periphery ya ngwe. Heyo guys, he ke tlo ba bedi. Not necessarily a baby, but I think I'm just gonna go back to being myself, that girl wa we tatela bo miriri bo di makeup, you know. Yeah, I think that's the Nadia that I like more than the one who onzali mutswiti. So guys, I guess to shoot ka camera yakane, but I'll start. I need body your tripod and stuff. So the one that I have, it's the one that you can just put on top of the table. It's not like that long one and stuff. So ke ngwanyana wa camera ke OCO what's it o eleng hore o tsekeng tlamile le monke serious. So the lace is light, as you guys can see. It's not the same color as me, but I'm going to show you how we deal with lace here. So this is how the hair looks. This is the length of the hair. So we are dealing with this hair. So yeah, this is the hair that we are dealing with to T. You know, so I'm just gonna quickly show you how if not even show you anything, because you guys know how to. I'm just gonna install the hair.
Hard to get, tease me, boy, I'm a Mr. Ray. Flirt, work for bread. So coy, take it slow to lead. Hurts, seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait is so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah, yeah. I want you to crave me as tension is building, yeah, yeah, and driving us crazy. Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull, that friction so sensual. Clutch, draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you've been all my life, just play by the rules. Baby, hold out until it's too much. And I want you to want me. statement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. Take me back, You've been so patient, so patient. Want me back, baby. Take me back, baby.
So guys, this is me. I am done with the hair. This is how the hair looks. The hair looks amazing. The quality of the hair is amazing. It wasn't hard for me to curl. So guys, reporting from I'm done installing the hair. This is the hair that I got from OwamiVip hair launch. If you want to get yourself this same unit, it's a 12-inch bob, so you can get it for yourself. I'm just gonna add more foundation here or powder just to make it like less visible, because yeah, it's light. So this is how I look, you guys. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful hair. I really love this hair. I'll just show you again one more time the other style you can rock with this hair. Not the normal straight way we normally rock bobs. So stay tuned. My husband has a beautiful wife. One thing about Damani, hello, Very. Perry is saying hi. I hope you are enjoying where you are. I love you so much. Mwah. Hey guys, welcome to another day. Welcome to Sunday. It's after church. I just jumped in Lambona. I wasn't able to vlog when I left the house because I was late. So now I'm going out for lunch, the kids and my mom. So I'll see you guys when I get there. I just wanna quickly get there and then I'll just vlog when I get there because I'm tired. So let's go. Let me tell you something. I'm so over this thing.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.